Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I have here. I have the BaiNong and it is a bunch of, they are the cabinet knobs, and these ones here I think they're orange, it said. So you can see this is what it looks like here. So if you have like a kid's bathroom or something and you want it to look kind of cute and nice, you can do that. It comes with all the different screws that you would need. So if you have something really long, you could use the long screws, or you can cut them at the little break points. You see the little break points in there to go through. And basically, you'll just sort of stick it onto the, I have these long ones here, but you could take, those. If I just wanted a single one, you just have a single one, and you would just screw the hole through and screw it through from the back, and you're there. If you have existing cabinets and you just want it to look pretty, you can just totally just take out the old knobs, as long as you have the knob buttons, and just stick these ones on instead. So this is what it looks like here. They're really nice, and they're made out of like metal, so it's they're not going to fall apart on you. You can kind of see the brass inside of it, so they won't rust or won't fall apart on you or anything like that. And you get a whole lot of them here. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. You get a total of 10. So really nice little set of them, and these are great for a kid's bathroom, kid's room. If you're making a dresser or something and you just need some knobs for it. My dressers have different kind of knobs right now, but you could use them for that. So really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.